Hey, Emma. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Rahul. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm pretty good. I woke up early today, so I feel productive.
That's nice. Waking up early changes the whole day.
Absolutely. Early mornings feel peaceful.
Yes, and you can finish more work.
So, what's your morning routine?
I usually drink water first, then I go for a short walk.
That sounds healthy.
After that, I make coffee and read for 10 minutes.
Wow, I should copy your routine.
You should. Small habits make a big difference.
Are you working today or studying?
I have work. I'm finishing a project.
Is it stressful?
A little, but I enjoy the challenge.
That's good. Stress is easier when you like your work.
Exactly. What about you?
I'm studying English and editing videos today.
Nice. Consistency is key.
How long do you practice English daily?
Around 30 minutes.
That's perfect. Daily practice matters more than long hours.
I try to speak even if I make mistakes.
That's the best method.
I stopped being afraid of mistakes.
And that's why your English is improving. What are you having for lunch today?
I'm thinking about pasta.
Sounds delicious.
What about you?
I'll probably eat rice and vegetables.
Healthy choice.
I'm trying to eat clean these days.
Do you have weekend plans?
Yes, I'm meeting friends.
That sounds fun.
We might watch a movie.
I love movie nights.
It helps me relax.
Everyone needs relaxation.
Emma, can I ask you something?
Of course.
How can someone speak English confidently?
Simple. Speak every day,
Even with mistakes?
especially with mistakes.
That's motivating.
Confidence comes from action.
I feel inspired after talking to you.
I'm glad.
English feels easier when we practice like this.
Conversations make learning natural.
Thank you for the chat.
Anytime. Let's practice again tomorrow.
Deal. See you.
See you. Take care.